Ever tried to grill salmon and ended up with a dry, stuck to the grill mess? I've been there, but today I'm going to show you how to grill salmon steaks that are juicy, flavorful, and ridiculously easy to make. Whether you're a grill master or still figuring things out, this foolproof recipe has got you covered. Plus, I'll throw in some fun grilling tips, because who doesn't love a good kitchen hack? Let's do this. Before diving into the grilling, I like to have everything prepped and ready. It makes the whole process smoother and way more enjoyable. First up, the salmon. I'm using 3 salmon steaks with the skin on. The skin not only helps keep everything intact while grilling, but also adds an extra layer of flavor. I rinse the salmon under cold water and pat it dry with paper towels. This is key to helping the marinade stick properly. Now on to the fresh ingredients. I start by grabbing some green onions, chopping them into small pieces, and setting them aside for garnish. Next, I finely mince fresh garlic, which will give the dish a bold aromatic punch. Finally, I squeeze fresh lemon juice for the marinade and slice up some extra lemon wedges for a bright, zesty garnish. If you're grilling for a crowd, the Nexgrill Deluxe 6-burner propane gas grill is a fantastic budget-friendly option. With 6 burners, it offers plenty of cooking space, making it perfect for backyard BBQs, hosting parties, or meal prepping large batches. It heats up quickly, distributes heat evenly, and has side burners for extra versatility. On the other hand, if you have limited space or prefer a smaller setup, the Weber 3-burner grill is my go-to. It's compact but still powerful, with great heat retention and durable build quality. The porcelain-coated grates make cleaning a breeze, and it consistently delivers that signature grilled flavor. I've had both of these grills for years, and with regular care, they can last over 10 years. The key is keeping them covered when not in use, cleaning the grates regularly, and doing occasional deep maintenance. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check them out. Not sure what to serve with your salmon? Here are some easy ideas: grilled asparagus or zucchini, quick, healthy, and delicious cucumber and tomato salad, light and refreshing garlic butter rice or quinoa, because carbs make everything better, dill yogurt sauce, extra creamy and herby, or just eat it straight off the grill like a caveman. No judgment. Let's kick things off with the marinade. This is what's going to make our salmon taste amazing. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon olive oil. Next, add 2 minced garlic cloves. Squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. Pour in 2 tablespoons honey for a touch of sweetness. Sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon salt and 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Give it all a good whisk until well combined. The honey brings a little sweetness, and the lemon and garlic give it that fresh, tangy kick. Quick hack. If you like a little smoky flavor, add a pinch of smoked paprika. Want a bolder taste? A splash of soy sauce does wonders. And if you're the type to eyeball measurements, just make sure your dash doesn't turn into half the bottle. Place the salmon in an 8x8 glass baking dish, ensuring they have enough space to soak up all the marinade. Pour the marinade evenly over the salmon, making sure each piece is well coated. Cover the dish and refrigerate for at least an hour. If you're short on time, 30 minutes will still work, but for the best flavor, let it sit for up to 2 hours. If you forget and leave it overnight, well, you've just entered the realm of salmon ceviche. Unexpected, but still delicious. Now let's talk about the grill. Preheat to medium heat. 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Too hot, and your salmon turns into charcoal. Too low, and you'll be standing there forever, wondering why your dinner is still raw. Before placing the salmon on, grease the grill grates with a little oil. Just dip a paper towel in oil and use tongs to rub it on the grates. Trust me, if you've ever tried to scrape fish off a grill like it's super glued on, you'll never skip this step again. While you're at it, close the lid and let the grill heat up for about 5 to 10 minutes. This helps create those beautiful grill marks and prevents sticking even more. A well-heated grill equals a happy grilling experience. All right, time to get that salmon on the grill. Place the steaks directly on the grates and let them cook for 5 to 6 minutes per side. Baste with the leftover marinade as they cook. You'll know it's time to flip when the salmon releases easily. If it's still sticking, give it another minute. If you try to force it and it falls apart, just call it deconstructed salmon and pretend it was intentional. Cook until you see those beautiful grill marks and the internal temp hits 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare, or 140 degrees Fahrenheit for fully cooked. Want crispy skin? Flip it onto the skin side for the last 1 to 2 minutes. Pro grilling trick: try grilling on a cedar plank for a subtle smoky flavor. Just soak the plank for an hour first, unless you enjoy setting things on fire. Once off the grill, let the salmon rest for a minute. This lets the juices settle so you don't lose any flavor. For garnish, I like to sprinkle fresh green onions and serve with lemon wedges. A drizzle of extra honey or a sprinkle of sesame seeds makes it look fancy, like you know what you're doing. And just like that, your perfectly grilled salmon is ready. Unless you drop it, then it's time for the 5-second rule. And there you have it, flavor-packed, juicy grilled salmon that's ridiculously easy to make. If you like this video, hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you never miss a recipe. Got any grilling hacks or favorite marinades? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear them. See you in the next video. And if you're looking for a killer side dish, check out my How to Steam Asparagus video. It's the perfect match for this salmon. Click here to watch.